Yo, what's good, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make homemade beef stroganoff. Yes, sir. We're finna get into it. It's all the ingredients right here. Let's get it. I'm finna add my chopped up mushroom. I'm going in with some slap your mama seasoning. You know you gotta have that. You know, smoked paprika. Going in with that. Yeah, this is my first time ever making this, you know what I mean? And it came out wonderful. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I'm gonna break the meat up a little bit. Get it right. That ground beef down. But yeah, this is real easy and simple. You know what I mean? Simple. Way better than that box stuff. Let the meat cook down. I done drained the meat, finna add a little cheese in it. You know you can't go wrong with cheese. You know, cheese make everything good. For real. Going in with some Dijon Mustard. Like 2 tablespoons of that. Go hit it with the W sauce. Sour cream. 2 tablespoons. More cheese. Beef broth. Like 32 ounces of beef broth. You know, the whole carton. Going in with a little heavy whipping cream. A little bit of half and half. Just, you know, cover the, the meat up a little bit. Submerge it. Let this cook down a little bit. Got it on simmer. Now we're going in with the egg noodles. Like I say, this is real quick and easy dish. Your kids gonna love it if you got kids. You know what I mean? Can't go wrong with beef stroganoff. Real, one of my favorite dishes. Quick and easy. Let this cook down a little bit so all of the juices absorb. Thickening it up now, the sauce thickening. You gotta make sure the noodles don't get soggy, you know what I mean? You don't want to overcook your noodles. So, you know, I had to test it right there, you know, make sure my noodles got a little, still a little firm. Don't want no soggy noodles. Now I'm finna add the cream cheese. Stir it up a little bit. Mix that cream cheese up in there. You know what I mean? The liquid almost absorbed up out of there. Taste my noodle. Let me taste my noodle. Yeah, like I said, this Very easy. You know what I mean? This is the dish you want to make, you know what I mean? That's very quick. You don't have a long day. You don't feel like, cooking nothing that, you know what I mean? You come, you hit this up. Simple, quick and easy. I'm going in with more cheese, mozzarella cheese. Yeah, this is it. Very simple. You guys, leave a comment down below, you know what I mean, or some ideas you have that's, you know what I mean, you might want me to cook, you know what I mean, and I'll do it. Add a little parsley, you know what I mean, for color. But yeah, that's it, it didn't take that long, but, thank you for watching, you know what I mean, I appreciate it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Be blessed.